Ebikwate bihirwa abatimbikorwa mu gavumenti ya Take ahansi ya Ministry y'oburambuzi n'ebyobuhangwa.
Ekitongole nikyekyo TICA, Turkish Cooperation and Coordination Agency. Twabanywana mu kubanywana twabagambira ebizibu bitwine bagira ngu bineho enshabonke baraza kutunosheraho bagire ebibakora ki ebibareetera abarombe bitu. So ebyo rareba biguzirwe tibyayibirwe buri kimwe kishashurirwe nyweni jambishende kiza.
Since 2024 until now, we have implemented more than 45 projects throughout the whole, between the West Nile, in Isingiro area, in Soroti, in many different areas. I can say maybe 70% of Uganda I had the chance to visit and share the projects with the community.
Abatimbi barukuhika 303 nibo baganyirwa mukanda b'ekitongole kya TICA. Abahireye bikwate ebintu bagira ngo bakikozero kurinda amagara gaba babana bakora.
Mission has greatly strengthened our operations and uplifted the livelihoods of our members and the wider community. We also wish to appreciate the district leadership of the Isingiro district, led by the chairman of C5 together with all the district staff, for their continued guidance and support.
Abatimbi batina batungire ebikwato bina amasiko ngo nibyeje kubahwera okukora kurunje emirimo yabo.
Ubuzibu bwinjo bakushira kuba bine no butagira byo kukozesa munonga na munonga byo kujwara byo kutimbisa umuntu tugezeho kubahereza yitwe nka company onka mono usanga batabikosaje. So twashemerwa n'ekitongole kya TICA ekyekyejana mu Isingiro kandi tugezeho kugamba nabo ko basa kutwirukangira
twine tubentimba turukutimba tine girafu nangwa na butsi mwene hati yona semerwa munonga kuretika yisa yatwatiraho yatoretaho butsi yatoretaho girafu nze patindo na nebinde bikwate byatwetera ndebo hiyondo na za masiki ahubwo masikazi twine zitakumara.
Abebembezi ba district y'Isingiro basimira ekitongole kya TICA ahabwo kukwatiraho abantu aba.
This is going to help in the sustainability of the project. Because I know some of them have quitted this job because of the bad conditions and the challenges within doing this job. But now that you have provided these personal protective equipment, there is going to be sustainability of this work.
Abatungire ebikwato n'aba barukora muri Kikagate Town Council, Kikagate Sub County, Isingiro South. Gasha kwa Felix Nduhura.